In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a wedding RSVP website with Wix 2026 guide. If you're looking for a simple, beautiful way to manage your guest list and share all the important details, this walkthrough will take you from blank canvas to a polished, live site. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard and selecting Create New Site. When prompted, choose the Studio Templates category. These designs are modern and come with features that work especially well for events. Use the search bar to type wedding invitation or wedding RSVP so you're only seeing templates tailored for weddings. Hover over a few options to preview how they feel. Look for a layout and color palette that matches your vision, then click Select. Think of this as your foundation. You can change almost everything later. Once the template loads, you'll be in the Wix website editor. Click directly into the headline areas to update names, dates, and a warm welcome message. Replace any placeholder photos with your own images, like engagement shots or venue pictures, to instantly make the site feel personal. Edit the text blocks to add event details, venue location, timing, and clear RSVP instructions. If you'd like to collect preferences, customize your RSVP form with fields for meal choices, A+1, or a song request. Keep the form concise so guests can respond quickly. To tie everything together, set consistent fonts and a color palette that match your invitations. Use high contrast text for readability and preview frequently to see how your choices look on mobile. Now refine and review. Explore the design tools to adjust spacing, move sections, and add subtle animations where they enhance the flow. Customize the RSVP button style so it stands out and is easy to find. Wix auto-saves your work, and you can undo changes or roll back with site history, so experiment freely. Click Preview to experience the site like a guest would, test the RSVP process end-to-end, confirm messages are clear, and check that navigation is intuitive. Switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure everything scales nicely and important information is front and center. When you're happy, click Publish in the top right corner. Visit the live URL to see exactly what your guests will see. Do a final sweep for typos, spacing issues, or images that need cropping, and submit a test RSVP to confirm everything works smoothly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.